Welcome to Shannon's Big Roll 2018 time. And today's mail received a severe storm risk. Now, I don't know why I didn't get the alert or notification on this screen, but whatever. At least I got it on here. Let's read this. Severe storm risk from Monday to Tuesday, 24 hours. Here's a slight severe storm risk for your location. Continue reading for today's outlook from the National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center. National Severe Storm Outlook. There is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms from eastern continent to southern New England. Oh, that's for me. Isolated strong to severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds and a couple of tornadoes. Okay. It's already extremely rare. Oh my god. What will be possible today from parts of Florida into the Carolinas, mid-Atlantic, and southern New England. Remains of an upper low crossing the southern region. Early in the period, what happened? Maybe, really? Well, let's just start from upper Great Lakes to Mississippi Valley. Large upper tropical cyclone, which will reach the central area by the end of the period. Don't tell me this is going to be really, really bad thunderstorm today. As the upper flower field evolves, a deepened surface low crossing western North Carolina / Virginia early in the period will move quickly northward. By central New York by 1, where it will then begin to include. Let's just move on. Jeez, what else will tell us? I'm going to let you read, guys, because I don't feel like reading all of this, so I'm going to let you read it all. For me. But this is extremely rare. Yeah, I can tell it's already extremely rare. Ooh. Jeez. Sounds bad. Ugh. I think this is going to be rare, extremely rare. I cannot believe this is going to be happening. And if the only part that I'm interested of is this storm will produce a couple of tornadoes. I wonder if it will hit by our area. Ooh, my area, guys. Oops, I don't know why I put it down to Celsius. Look, guys, look at all this possible thunderstorms. But it will stop at 6 p.m., but there'll be rain on 40%, and 7 p.m. it will be cloudy, and then it will be nice out and clear out. Alright guys, that's my next EAS video I got for you, but it's still extremely rare. Alright guys, let's wrap this up. I better go talk with Mom about this thunderstorm. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, everybody. Like this video. Leave comments down below. Press the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. See who.